Hello guys, this is the first video of how to code series with Arham Jain. So first I will tell you that which website we should use, how to create an account and how to log in. So we have to use code.org. You will have a great experience of it in laptop or computer. So for creating an account we have to click the create an account button. Then we could continue with Google, Microsoft or Facebook or enter up your details and then sign up. Yeah. So from here we will log in. You can enter email or username or you can enter password. You can also continue with the options given. See you again. Let's meet in the next episode. Signing off, Arham Jain. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.